Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the difference between union and union all in SQL. So when do I use them? To understand when to use them, we have to understand what do they do, right? So let's talk about those. Please stay a few minutes with me and you'll understand this concept, when to use, what does this two functions will do, right? So for that case, I need to create two simple sample tables, and let me create two. Let me copy my code from my other window and then bring it here. So I'm going to create table A and create table B, and both have ID as integer and name as varchar 50, which is the data type. So I'm creating two tables. Okay, with the script, let's run it. All right, my two tables are created, and if this font is too big, let's make it a little smaller. Okay, all right, that should be good, right? Good size. Okay, there you go. Okay, two tables are created. Let's insert the data, insert the records into these two tables. So I'm inserting into the table A and inserting into table B. Well, their ID 1 2 3 3 4 5, and we have John, Alice, Bob, and Bob, Carol, and David. Okay, so let's insert them. Highlight these, execute. Okay, 3 rows affected on each of them, correct? Okay, now since those are inserted, so let's take a look what we have. Okay, select all from table A, and let's do the same thing with another object, which is a table B, right? Okay, table B. So if we select them, you will see the data, simple data, right? So there's a ID 1 2 3 3 4 5, name John, Alice, Bob, and Bob, Carol, and David. Okay, so here we go. So we have two tables with these simple 3 records on each of them, A and B. So now let's do the union. Okay, let's utilize the union function. Okay, so let me write here saying using, let's do union. Okay, let's make some room. All right, so we are doing union. Okay, so you'll see the difference here. Let me bring this again, both of these, so we will see the difference. All right, let me run these and you'll see what the difference here it will do. So the top two is selecting from table A and table B, and this is after we are using the union operator, or union, you can also call it function. So what it does is, so the top table had John, Alice, and Bob with the ID 1 2 3, and the bottom table has Bob, Carol, and David with a 3 4 5. And remember, the Bob is repeated on both the tables, so this data is coming from table A, and Bob is repeated on both the tables. So here you go, table B also has Bob, and so this is repeated, correct? So after we're doing union, what this is giving, this is the results after applying that union operator, right? Okay, so here we have 1 2 3 4 and 5. So Bob is repeated on both tables. However, after using this operator, what it gave the result is Bob is coming only once, correct? You see the number ID number 3, Bob, we are getting only once. So what does that tell us, right? It tells us that using this union operator, this will remove duplicates. So keep that in mind. Removes duplicates. Okay, so it's removing duplicates, not giving the duplicate, because Bob is repeated. So it removes duplicate means it is giving only once. That's what the union does. On the other hand, if I copy this one again and bring it down here, let's do using union all. Okay, let me remove this so you don't get confused. So the top one is using union and the bottom one is union all. So I'm going to put this union all. Okay, same thing we're doing, but we're utilizing two different operators, right? So let's see this one now. Let's see this one, union all. Okay, so now look at this. Bob is coming twice. With union all, we are getting the duplicate. It's not removing or eliminating duplicates. It's keeping the duplicates pretty much. So let me make an add note. So it keeps the duplicate. Okay. It keeps the duplicate. It removes the duplicate. Don't get confused. It removes the duplicate means it does not keep the duplicate. It keeps one of the duplicate. However, over here, no matter what, it keeps all of them. So altogether we have 1, 2, 3. These three records are coming from table A, and the bottom three, 4, and 5 are coming from table B. So what do you find the difference now? So union, what it does is if there is a duplicate, it will keep only the unique records, versus union all will keep all the duplicate records. I mean, it keeps including the duplicates. If there is a Johnny's duplicate or Alice's duplicate or some other people are duplicate records, then it will keep everything. So pretty much what this does is this will keep everything, okay? Everything, including duplicates. And this will remove duplicates. It only keeps unique records. Simple enough, understandable, right? So yeah, you can try it out and you'll understand it better. However, simple enough. The union will only keep the unique records if there are duplicates in the table, and union all will keep everything including the duplicates. That is the difference. So based on your requirements, how you want to achieve your results, you apply either union or union all based on how you want to achieve the results. Okay. All right. That's about it on this topic. So hopefully this makes sense. If you like my channel, if please like and subscribe so you don't miss out other videos that I put on YouTube on my channel. And thanks again for watching, and have a great day.